Racing just is started. We have Cardong Kaliwa break quick clear start. Then on the outside, Libre Langa. Randa Dance comes next. Then followed by Rida Ravensky, G-Spot, Take Me Tonight, Royal Biba, while Gigi Star race the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Cardong Kaliwa by our length and a half. And in second comes Libre Lang. Moving up on the outside. Randa Dance. G-Spot is down on the inside. Then followed by Rita Rabensky. Next online now is entry number 4. Take Me Tonight. Royal Biba. While Gigi Star is still racing in less. Inside at 3 Octavo. We have Cardong Kaliwa by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is G-Spot. Randa Dance comes next. Rida Rabensky is down on the inside. Royal Biba now moving up on the outside. Take Me Tonight. Libre Lang and Gigi Star. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have G-Spot takes command. And on the outside now is Royal Biba. Down on the inside is Take Me Tonight. Last 100 meters we have Royal Biba. Now takes command. Down on the inside is Take Me Tonight, Rida Rabensky, and finally it's Royal Viva. Take Me Tonight, Rida Rabensky, G-Spot, Cardong Kaliwa.